Hello there, this is Mike Earn, and you're welcome to the weekly Forex market update and forecast. In this video, I'll be looking at the Euro USD, GBP USD, USDCHF, and the USDJPY currency pairs. I'll be analyzing and making my predictions for the moves that I think the market, the moves that I think these currency pairs will make. Yeah, but first of all, before I go into the business of the day, I'd like to let you know that I give free forex signals on the Mike Earn channel. You can join the Mike Earn channel to get free forex signals from me. Yes, very profitable free forex signals, and they will help your trading. Yes, they will help your trading. The fact that they are free, I don't think, people might think the fact that it is free means it doesn't have much value. Don't make that kind of mistake, because it is free, but it is actually very valuable. So I encourage you to please go ahead and join the Mike Earn channel. The link to the Mike Earn channel is in the description below. Go to the description below, copy the link to the Mike Earn channel, paste it in your browser, and visit the site, and it will take you to the Mike Earn Telegram channel, and you can join the Telegram channel and expect forex signals. Yes, they are highly profitable forex signals, highly profitable trading signals that will take your trading profits to the highest level of profitability. This is just what it is. You can join the channel now. You can join the channel now. You can join the channel and expect forex signals when you join the channel. So now to the next one that I also this one I offer the Mike Earn account management service. I offer my account management service. You can reach me directly to engage my account management service, because and this is to help you grow your forex account. If between 5 to 15% profit monthly sounds good to you, if between 5 to 15% profit monthly sounds good to you, then I'm your guy. You can reach out to me. The link to my direct Telegram contact is in the description below. The link to my Telegram DM is in the description below. Go to the description below, copy the link to my Telegram DM, paste it in your browser, and it will bring you to my DM on Telegram, and you can chat me up and let me know that you want to engage my account management service. Yes, for between 5 to 15% profit monthly. And also I can definitely make more than 15% profit, but just if between 5 to 15% profit sounds good to you, then you can reach out to me and let's talk about everything. And we're going to talk about everything you need to know before we get started. One thing is for sure, if you do business with me, if I manage your trading account, you'll be really glad that I did, because I'm going to make sure I give my very best to ensure that you make a lot of profits. And I only profit when I only make commissions. I only get my commissions when I make profits for you. So that's very important, for you to note, or for you to know. So let's go into the business of the day. We're starting with the Euro USD currency pair. So what's Euro USD telling us? Well, Euro USD has been quite bullish. Now this current monthly candle has not loaded. It's supposed to be high, I believe. So now the candle at the Euro USD currency pair has been quite bullish for some time now. So what should we expect? Now this is weekly, same idea. Let's go down to the daily time frame. So what should we look out for? Well, what I'll look out for is quite simple. If price comes lower than that, if price comes into this zone, so if price comes into this 1.14522 area and then gives a bullish day close above that zone, right, I would suggest that you go for a buy. If it gives a bullish day close above this zone after coming into this 1.14522 zone, if it gives a bullish day close above that zone, I'll look for an opportunity to buy. And the opportunity to buy can just be You can go for a 1-to-1 RR, or you can go for maybe a 2-to-1, or even more than that, or you can hold and see if you have caught the next leg of the bullish move, right? So that would be my prediction for this, move, for this bullish move on the for this, that would be my prediction if price comes into this 1.14522 area and then gives us a bullish day close above that zone. So to see the other side of it, I'd like to zoom out. So if price, let's take this out first. Now if price continues high, and if price pushes higher and comes into the zone, if price pushes higher and comes into the 1.20033 zone and then gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I suggest that you go for a sell. Go for a 1-to-1 sell, and I would suggest that you only go for 1-to-1 sell. And my reason is simple: this is a very bullish market. You do not want to overstay your welcome, right? We've seen this kind of quite huge bearish moves, right? But we have to be careful so we don't overstay our welcome in a bullish market. You don't want to be selling when you shouldn't be selling. I hope you understand that. So that would be my prediction. If price moves from where it currently is right now and it comes into the 1.20033 zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a sell and go for a 1-to-1 sell, right? And nothing more. That's my suggestion, but it's up to you, right? So don't forget that you should not take any of these scenarios if they do not meet your own trading confirmation. So now let's move on to the GBPUSD currency pair. Now for GBPUSD, what's the monthly telling us? Well, GBPUSD is also quite bullish. Looks bullish actually, but we have this well, the monthly candle is still in place, so we cannot make any decision from that. So we've seen this quite bullish market. So what is next? This is the weekly time frame. So let's go down to the daily time frame. What should we expect going forward? Well, what I would expect is quite simple. If price comes down into the zone, this 1.33787 zone, and then gives a bullish day close above this zone, I'll suggest that you go for a buy. That'll be my suggestion. I'll suggest you go for a buy because this would be like something we can call a double bottom right here. I hope you get what I'm talking about. So that'll be like a double bottom. So we can go for a buy in that, kind of scenario. And we can look for a 1-to-1. We can go for a 1-to-1 buy, or maybe 2-to-1. Or better still, not better still, you can also go for more than a 1-to. You can also hold the trade and see how far it goes while you trail your stops, move your stop loss up higher and higher to cover more profits as as market or as price progresses, right? So that would be for this prediction. So what else? If we zoom out, okay, there's one zone right here. If price continues higher, another scenario, a sell scenario I want to look at right now. Let me get this out of here first. Okay. So if price continues from where it is right now and then pushes higher, if price moves from where it currently is right now and pushes high and comes into this 1.37472 zone and then gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a sell. This will be my suggestion. And the reason is simple. We have come into this major zone and price has given us a bearish day close below that zone. But I would suggest that you go for a 1-to-1 sell. And the reason, is not far-fetched, is because the market is looking very bullish right now. So you do not want to overstay your welcome. So just go for a 1-to-1 sell and leave it there. That will be my, prediction for the GBPUSD. So a quick disclaimer: do not take any of these scenarios if they do not meet your own personal trading confirmation. So let's move on to the USDCHF currency pair. So for USDCHF, what should we expect? Now this is the monthly time frame. Well, as we can see, the market is progressing bearish. It's moving bearish, and it has been quite bearish for some time now. So what should we expect going forward? Take a look at the weekly time frame. The same thing, same idea right there. So now to the daily time frame, what should we expect? What I would expect is quite simple. If price comes into the zone, if price comes into the 0.82432 zone, 0.82432 zone, and then gives a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a sell. I'll suggest that you go for a sell. You can go for a 1-to-1, you can go for a 2-to-1, or you can hold indefinitely and keep trailing your stops as price progresses lower. And the reason is simple. This is a bearish market, so there's a possibility that you might catch there's a possibility that price will continue to go lower, right? And price will see lower lows. There's a possibility. So that is very possible, and it can go as low as possible. It can even go as low as the 0.70867. So you might want to wait out. You might want to see that play out. So now another scenario is this. I'm trying to locate the other zone, the zone below. We cannot see the zone below, but don't forget. So I have to zoom out to the weekly time frame to see the zone below the current price. So now, but don't forget that the daily time frame is our execution time frame. So everything I'm going to analyze now is for the daily time frame altogether. So now, if price comes into this 0.77155 zone, if price comes into the 0.77155 zone and then gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a buy. Right, I'll suggest that you go for a buy and that you go for a 1-to-1 buy. And the reason is very simple, not far-fetched at all. The reason is that the market is currently bearish, so I'm not comfortable saying you should go for more than a 1-to-1. Just go for a 1-to-1 and end it there. Right, go for a 1-to-1 RR and close your trades and take your profits. If it's a profitable one, take your profits and let it be. And let the market be, right? Because you do not want to be buying when the market wants to sell. When the market is selling. So this is a very bearish market, so make sure you do not overstay your welcome when you are buying. Right, so that's for the USDCHF. Another quick disclaimer: do not take any of these scenarios if they do not meet your own personal trading confirmation. So now to the USDJPY currency pairs. USDJPY currency pairs. So now for USDJPY, what do we have here? Market has been quite bullish. We can see that on the monthly time frame, market has been quite bullish over time, right? And we've seen that some. Well, I don't know how to describe that, but let's go down to the weekly time frame. Same thing, same idea on the weekly time frame. Now to the daily, what should we expect? Now, what we expect is quite simple. Notice that I only tell you to look for trades at major zones. Yeah, that is very important. That is very important, right? Because the market can move at any point, but what you should wait for is when market comes into your own area of interest. When the market is looking like something that fits with your own strategy, that is when you should be interested in it. If not, you stay away. So now if price moves from where it currently is right now at I believe it's 147.634, right? So if price moves from that point, right, and comes into the 151.781 zone and then gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a sell, but I'll suggest that you do not go for more than a 1-to-1 sell. And the reason is very simple, because this is a bullish market, right? So do not go for more than a 1-to-1 sell so that you do not overstay your welcome selling in a bullish market. So price does not suddenly make that bullish move that might end up as a loss. So you can just go for a 1-to-1 on this particular trade. on the if it occurs, right? So now for another scenario, if price continues lower from where it currently is at right now, which is a 147.634 price right now, if price moves lower than that and comes into the 140.315 zone, and then gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a buy. You can go for a 1-to-1 buy, you can go for a 2-to-1 buy, you can go for a 3-to-1 buy. When I say 1-to-1, I'm talking 1-to-1 risk reward. When I say 1-to-2-to-1, I'm talking 1-to-2 risk reward. Talking 1-to-3 risk reward if I say 3-to-1. So I hope you understand that. Sorry for if that confused you. I'm sorry for that. I apologize. So now you can go for a 1-to-1 risk reward. You can go for a 2-to-1 risk 1-to-2 risk reward. You can go for a 1-to-3 risk reward, or you can hold indefinitely and see how far price can go from there. Because this is a bullish market, right? So you might, what if you catch the next leg of the market, from this zone? What if that happens? So you just might want to hold it indefinitely and keep trading your stops. You might want to keep trailing your stops as market progresses. Just keep moving your stop loss higher and higher as market keeps pushing higher, right? Because there's a possibility that it would continue higher and just continue high. So you can also see that this 140.315 zone is a major zone that has held in the past. It held, in 20 in the I think this is April 2025. It also held in September. I believe this is September 16, 2024. It also held December 2023. So the market, the price, that zone has been a very important zone. So possibly it's going to hold again if price comes into that area once again. So I hope you understood that. So thank you so much for watching this video. Right, please don't forget that you should not take any of these scenarios if they do not meet your own personal trading confirmation. It's very important that you have your own personal investment strategy or trading strategy rather. It's very important that you have your own personal trading strategy to avoid unnecessary losses and to make sure you know what you're doing in the market. So if you have not learned how the market works, please go ahead and do so. And if you want me to do some teaching on that, you can put it in the comment section and I would consider that. So thank you so much for watching this video. Before I go, I'd like to remind you that I give free forex signals on the Mike Earn channel. Join the Mike Earn channel to get free forex signals. On the Mike Earn channel, I give free forex signals. Yes, highly profitable free forex signals. They are free but very highly profitable. So I plead with you to not overlook them because you heard that they are free. So you can go to the description below, copy the link to the Mike Earn channel, paste it in your browser, and visit the site, right? It will take you to the Mike Earn channel, join the channel, and it will take you to the Mike Earn Telegram channel. Yes, it's a Telegram channel. Join the channel and expect signals. They are highly profitable trading signals that will take your trading profits, that will take your forex trading profits to the highest level of profitability. Join the channel, please, and please join the channel. It is going to really help you in your trading. It's going to really help you make a lot of money trading. It's going to take your trading profits to the highest level of profitability. Yes, join the channel, please, and please, as soon as you can, join the channel. The link, once again, is in the description below. Go to the description below, copy the Mike Earn Telegram channel link, copy the link to the Mike Earn Telegram channel, paste it in your browser, go to the description below, copy the link to the Mike Earn Telegram channel, paste it in your browser, visit the site, and it will take you to the Mike Earn Telegram channel, and you can join the channel and expect signals. And don't forget to take the signals when you see them, and make sure you calculate your risks properly as well. So now I offer account management service as well. You can you can engage my account management service. If profits between 5 to 15% monthly sounds good, right, sounds good for you, then I'm your guy. You can reach out to me on Telegram. My Telegram DM, the link to my Telegram DM is in the description below. Yes, the link to my Telegram DM is in the description below. Go to the description below, copy the link to my Telegram DM, paste it in your browser, visit the site, and it will bring you to my DM on Telegram, and you can chat me up and let me know that you want to engage my account management service. Definitely I can make more than the 5% to 15% profit monthly. I can definitely make more than 15% profit, but if between 5 to 15% profit monthly sounds good to you, then you can join, you can reach out to me and let me know that you want me to manage your forex trading account, or manage your forex trading account and make sure that everything goes well, right? Because I only make money when I only get commissions when I make profits for you. So that's very important for you to know. I only get commissions when I make profits for you. So I ensure that everything works perfectly and it goes well. So that is it for the account management service. Don't forget, my Telegram DM link is in the description below. Go to the description below, copy the link, paste it in your browser, visit the site. It will bring you to my Telegram DM. Chat me up and let me know that you want to engage my forex account management service, and we will have the conversation, and I'll let you know all you need to know, and we get started. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You can go ahead and follow, subscribe, and you can also comment